Okay, here we are. We're laying down the TPO. It's a peel and stick product. Great product. And it's a self-adhering. As you can see, you peel off one side, you stick it on, and you peel the other side, and you stick on the other side, and then there's a robot that welds the seams together. You have flattening out the Later, we flatten it with a roller, and there's the robot that welds the seams. We're prepping it up right now, getting the proper heat on it, and we'll be starting it in a few minutes or in a while.